If you were to become an animal, what animal would you like to be?
Oh. I would like to be an amphibian.
Amphibian. Why amphibian?
Because an amphibian is an animal who can live both water and land.
Nice answer. Can you give us an example of an amphibian?
Oh. A frog.
Nice. How about another example?
Oh. Another frog, thank you.
Thank you very much. Candidate number 2. Put your hands together for the very confident candidate number 3. You seem to be the crowd's favorite candidate number 3. How are you?
I'm hungry.
Well, I can see that. What for you is the most important part of your body?
Sorry?
What for you is the most important part of your body?
Well, the best part of my body is that my neck.
Why your neck? Parang wala ka namang neck.
Because my neck holds my head. And my head holds my face, for I believe that my beautiful face will hold the crown for tonight's competition.
How confident! What is the second most important part of your body?
Second?
Yes.
Well, my second part of my body is that my kidney.
Your kidney. Why your kidney?
Because I believe that kidney is the capital of Australia. Thank you.
Okay pa kaya to? The third most important part of your body for you?
My mouth.
Why your mouth?
Because that is the place where I live, Mount Mayon Volcano. Thank you.
Thank you very much. Candidate number 3. Pasensya, may sakit siya. Ladies and gentlemen, candidate number 4. Do you want an easy or a difficult question?
I am the most intelligent candidate, so I'd like you to throw the most difficult question you can ever think of.
I love this.
And excuse me, Mr. Host. Ask me in English, please.
Wow. So what is the longest Tagalog word that you know in the dictionary?
You don't know?
I don't know, that's why I'm asking.
The longest Tagalog word which I googled is nagsisipag-sinungalingan.
What does that mean?
It means pretending as if telling lies. Now you know.
Are you Manny Pacquiao? Next question.
Excuse me. Is this a quiz bee?
No, you just have to answer, okay? What is the longest English word that you know?
You also don't know?
I don't know.
The longest English word that I know is pneumono-ultramicroscopic silicovolcanoconiosis.
What does that mean?
It's an inflammation of the lungs caused by the inhalation of silica dust.
Nice.
Is that all?
Next question.
What level?
Difficult.
Oh, my.
Aside from your face, what is your problem?
Well, Mr. Host, let me tell you this. I don't think I have a problem with my face because I'm used to it. It is you asking me that question, therefore I think you are the problem and you are my problem.
Excuse me, candidate number 4. Do you really think that I have a problem with my face?
Excuse me, Mr. Host. This is comedy bar, joke, joke, joke.
Okay.
One last
question.
Last.
Kung mamamatay ka bukas,
Alam mo na yan.
bakit di pa ngayon?
As I've said, Mr. Host, English, please.
If you were to die tomorrow, why not today?
Well, Mr. Host, let me tell you this. I am not in a hurry. Are you in a hurry? Go ahead.
Do you really think I am in a hurry?
Mr. Host,
Uh-huh.
can I say something in Tagalog?
Go ahead.
Di bali na pong matalo, wag lang matanggal dito.
Thank you very much, candidate number 4. Ladies and gentlemen, palakpakan niyo po sila. Marico, Angel, Petit, and Tomas. O sige na, magsalasa kayo. Bumalik kayo sa sirko.
Thank you very much, beautiful ladies. Ang husay-husay naman nila, Bes.
Oo,